Tom was walking down the street one peaceful morning. The sun was rising, and everything seemed calm.
It's a nice day. I should get home soon.
Suddenly, a car came from behind and hit Tom. Tom was seriously injured and lay on the ground. Passers-by rushed to help him.
We need an ambulance. A young man has been hit by a car.
Within minutes, an ambulance arrived, its siren wailing. At the hospital, doctors worked quickly to assess Tom's injuries.
Mr. John? This is Dr. Brown from City Hospital. Your son, Tom, has been in a serious accident. You need to come to the hospital immediately.
Oh no! How is he? Is he going to be okay?
We're doing everything we can. Please come as soon as possible.
John's heart raced as he rushed out of his office. He grabbed his car keys and drove to the hospital as fast as he could, his mind consumed with worry for his son. On the way to the hospital, John called home to inform Mary and Lucy about what had happened.
Mary, it's me, John. Tom has been in an accident. I'm on my way to the hospital now. You need to come quickly.
Oh no. How is he? Is he going to be all right?
I don't know yet. The doctor said they're doing everything they can. Please come to the hospital as soon as you can.
Oh my God, John. I'm leaving right now. Lucy, get your coat. We need to go to the hospital.
What happened, Mom? Is Tom okay?
Your brother was in an accident. We need to go see him.
Mary and Lucy hurriedly left the house, their hearts heavy with fear and concern for Tom. John arrived at the hospital, where a doctor briefed him on Tom's condition.
Your son is stable now. We performed surgery to address his injuries. He should wake up soon, but we need to keep him under observation for a few days.
Thank you, doctor. Can I see him?
Yes, you can see him, but please keep it brief. He needs rest.
John entered the hospital room and saw Tom lying on the bed, looking pale but alive. His heart ached to see his son in such a condition.
Tom, it's Dad. I'm here. You're going to be okay.
Tom, we're here. We love you so much.
Please wake up soon, Tom. We need you.
Hours passed, and finally, Tom began to stir and slowly opened his eyes.
Mom, Dad, Lucy.
Yes, son, we're all here. You're going to be okay.
We love you, Tom.
We've been so worried about you. I love you all too. I'm glad you're here.
After days of intensive care and monitoring, Tom's condition improved enough for him to be discharged from the hospital. The family was overjoyed to bring him home.
Here are his medications and care instructions. Make sure he gets plenty of rest and follows up with his doctor in a week.
Thank you, doctor. We'll make sure he takes it easy.
We've set up your room so you'll be comfortable, Tom. Thanks, Lucy. You're the best sister.
At home, Tom settled into his bed, surrounded by his family's love and support. He felt a deep sense of gratitude for their care and concern.
It's good to have you back, son. We missed you.
We're so thankful you're okay. We were so worried.
I'm so happy you're home, Tom. I'm so lucky to have all of you. Thank you for being here for me.
The family sat together, cherishing the moment and the relief that Tom was finally home. They knew the road to recovery would be long, but they were ready to face it together. Tom's journey from the accident to recovery was challenging, but with the unwavering support of his family, he found the strength to heal. The accident brought them closer, and they were reminded of the importance of family and love. Now, as they moved forward, they did so together, ready to face whatever the future held.